Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, prepare your environment so the process runs smoothly. Install Git and verify it with Git version. Install the runtime required by the project, for example Python 3, 8, or Node 16. Confirm you have at least 2 GB free disk space to avoid interruptions. Next, open a terminal or command prompt in your chosen folder. Use git clone https://github.com/user/repo. Git to copy the repository to your machine. Wait until cloning finishes successfully before moving on. Open the newly cloned repository folder and read the README. MD carefully. The README lists required dependencies and exact installation commands for the project. If it uses Python, run pip install r requirements. txd to install packages. If it uses Node, run npm install to fetch modules. Configure environment variables next. For example, set API KEY equals your key and port equals 3000 in your shell. Verify installation by running any provided quick start or test command listed in the README. To run the project, use the start command given in the README, for example Python app. Py. For Node projects, run npm start and monitor logs for successful startup messages. When you want to contribute, create a branch using git checkout b feature name before editing files. Make small commits with clear messages and push your branch to GitHub using git push origin feature name. Open a pull request on GitHub with a descriptive title and list of changes so reviewers can evaluate your work quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.